guys. So like I kind of got out of the map. Yeah, kind of. So I found this drawing. Yeah, I found this drawing. There's a coconut crab. The a bear, the beetle, and the vicious bee. This is probably gonna be like the new cover, but it's not like finished yet. So yeah. I think that's one. Yeah, that's probably one of my bees. My bees can't even get here. Yeah, it's actually so weird. It's just me. It's just me, the baby bee, and this drawing. It's kind of good actually, better than my drawings. Yeah. That's like the basic bee and stuff. We can see that. Alright, bye guys.